I've just watched Danganronpa. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. But then again, it's not like I mispronounce regular words anyway. I'm not really good at pronouncing any words, even if it's my own language. But anyway, um, I think this is a really interesting one. So side, you have side despair, which ends with one episode of side hope, and side future. And how most people recommend it, and I would also, is future despair, future despair, future despair, and then just go back and forth, which is a really interesting way. You constantly flash back to before the first game because this is based on Danganronpa, the games, and it's really interesting building the story. And in the one of the arcs, it builds up this sort of really nice, sort of like happy-go-lucky. It's like, oh, it looks like it's gonna go well. It looks like it's going well. Well, I know the second game, so I know this is not going to last long. It's just, it's bittersweet. It's like opening a box. You're like realizing what's in it, but you're also realizing what's in it. Because you have that moment where, if it's a bad thing, it's like something's bad in this box, and you're opening it. And it's like, I want to know, but I don't, because I don't want to see that these characters, because we know what happened because of the second game. We don't. You get this sort of bittersweet, and just overall, it's just really happy and sad. I wouldn't say the ending. A lot of people say it undermines the second game and like how that ended. And I'm like, on one hand, that makes sense because it does to an extent. But on the other hand, it does wrap up the story in a way that both makes sense and it's actually really interesting and overall fun. But it does make, I do understand like both sides of the argument. But overall, I would recommend to watch this. But again, just watch it. Future Side episode 1, Spare Side episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, Extension Treasure 2, episode 12. So definitely go and watch that.